everyone, I wanted to show you two examples of some problems that we did in class today. We're still working on fractions of a set, but now we are assigning that fraction of a set to a whole number and using multiplication or division to find the total. So one example we did today was this problem right here. Alex bought some Legos. 2/7 of them were blue. So right away I know a fraction of this whole are blue Legos. He bought 12 blue Legos. How many Legos did Alex buy altogether? So I'm going to use my fraction and I can see that I'm dealing with sevenths. So I'm going to draw a model that shows sevenths. And I know, well, I don't know my total, but I do know that 2 of these 7 pieces is equivalent to 12. And since I know that when I model fractions, each piece is equal, I can divide 12 by 2 to figure out that each of these is equivalent to 6. So if these are 6, that means all of these are 6. So I can see that to find my total, I can multiply 6 times the 7 parts. So he had a total of 42 Legos altogether. Another example of this is this problem right here. Dante had $50, so this one gives me my total. He used 3/5 of it to buy a jacket. How much money does Dante have left? So again, I see I'm dealing with fifths, so I'm going to draw a model that represents fifths. And I know that my total is $50. And I know that Dante used 3 of these 5 parts to buy a jacket, so I'm just going to label that J. The question's asking how much money does Dante have left? So I can see if he used this right here for his jacket, this is what I'm trying to find. And again, since when I'm modeling fractions, each piece is equivalent, I can see I've got 5 pieces and my total is $50. So 50 divided by 5, that means each of these parts is going to be equivalent to $10. So I can easily see he spent $30 on the jacket, which means that he has got $20 left. So these types of problems are on your child's homework tonight. And so I'm hoping that since these two are familiar to them, if they need to see these, it'll help remind them how we solved them in class. And again, we really used the models today because it's such an easy way to visualize it. And these are really tricky problems. So the model really breaks it down for you and helps you see what you need to do. Hope this was helpful.